In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filter in AppSheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up practical filters so you can quickly narrow down records and focus on what matters. First, open AppSheet in your browser. From the main workspace, look toward the top left and click Create. This opens up your options for what you want to build or configure. Choose Database, so we're working at the data level where filters will be applied. Next, select New Database. This gives you a fresh place to store and manage your records before you layer on filtering logic. Once your database opens, find the filter option at the top and click it. This brings up the filtering panel where you'll define the rules that determine which rows show up. Go ahead and click Add Filter to start creating your first condition. You'll be prompted to select which column the filter should use. Pick the columns that are most useful for narrowing your data. A common starting set includes title, assignee, status, and date. Those tend to cover text search, ownership, workflow stage, and time-based views. Selecting the right column type is important because it affects which comparisons make sense and how clean your results will be. Next, choose the condition for the column you selected. You'll see options like compared to another column for field-to-field comparisons, is blank and is not blank for finding missing or populated values, contains and does not contain for partial text matching, starts with and does not start with for prefix-based filtering, and matches and does not match for exact matches. As a tip, contains is great for quick keyword searches in title or assignee, while matches is best when you want an exact value like a specific status. For date, think carefully about how precise you need to be. You can use starts with for simple year or month patterns in some setups, but exact matches or structured comparisons will keep your results consistent. After you choose the condition, fill in the input field with the value you want to match. Keep your text clean and consistent with your data. For example, make sure status values match how they appear in your table and use clear, specific keywords for title searches. When everything looks good, click Add to save the filter. Your data view will update to reflect the rule you just defined. If something doesn't look right, you can adjust the column, condition, or value in the same panel without starting over. That's it. You've created a filter in AppSheet, ready to streamline your workflows and surface the records you need. Thanks for watching, and happy building.